This video is on standard FIFA, understand the concept of a function and use function notation. This video will be on how to solve a composition of functions. Function composition. Function composition is an operation that takes two or more functions and produces a new function using mathematical operations. We're going to go through some examples together. When adding functions, this is f plus g of x. They give us f of x and they give us g of x. We need to add them together. So I'm going to take all of f of x and I'm going to take all of g of x and I'm going to add them together. Start by writing the f of x. So that is 5x. Now we're going to add the g of x, 3x squared plus 7x. I took all of f of x and I added it with all of g of x. From here, I need to combine my like terms. I have 5x and 7x. Both are x's, so they can go together. 5x plus 7x is 12x. And the 3x squared does not have a like term, so I'm just going to bring that down. So by adding these functions, we get f plus g of x is 3x squared plus 12x. Subtracting functions. So here we're going to take f of x and we're going to subtract g of x. Start by writing f of x, x squared minus 2x. Now I'll be subtracting g of x. You want to put the second thing in parentheses so that you know to distribute that negative. From here, I'm going to clean it up. I'm going to start by distributing this negative in. So that would get us x squared minus 2x plus x, because a negative times a negative is a positive. And from here, I can combine my like terms. I have minus 2x and plus x. Minus 2x plus x is minus 1x, and I'm going to bring down the x squared. So f minus g of x is x squared minus 1x. Multiplying functions. Same concept. I'm going to take f of x and I'm going to multiply it by g of x. My f of x is negative 2x squared. I'm going to put that in parentheses. And I'm multiplying it by my g of x, 4x plus 6. Again, I'm going to put that in parentheses. From here, we need to multiply. We need to make sure that we multiply everything. So I am distributing this negative 2x squared in. Negative 2x squared times 4x gets us negative 8x cubed. Negative 2x squared times 6 gets us negative 12x squared. This is where we would combine like terms, but we do not have any like terms because we have an x cubed and an x squared, and they are not to the same power. Last example is dividing. F of x divided by g of x. F of x, negative 2x squared. I'm going to divide by my g of x, negative 2x plus 6. For both of these, I can pull out a negative 2. Negative 2 times x squared. Negative 2 times x minus 3. These cancel out, so our final answer is x squared over x minus 3. That is the end of the video. You can now move on and complete practice 2.